Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off and removing any battery or SIM tray so no current flows. This prevents shorts. Next, secure yourself with an ESD strap and organize screws into labeled trays to avoid confusion. Use a suction cup and plastic spudger to lift the back cover gently. Apply steady, even pressure so clips release without cracking. Once the cover is off, identify the keypad ribbon cable and its connector. You need clear access before proceeding to the screen detachment step. You now heat the screen edges lightly with a heat gun or hairdryer to soften adhesive. Aim for warm, not hot, so plastic won't deform. Once softened, insert plastic picks and work around the perimeter, prying evenly to avoid bending the LCD or digitizer. After lifting the display, disconnect the display and keypad ribbon connectors by flipping the tiny retainers. This prevents ribbon damage. When installing the new screen, align connectors and press them into place. Then test before sealing to confirm touch and keypad response. You finish by reconnecting battery or reinserting SIM and powering on to test the touchscreen, keypad, and speaker functions. Do this before applying final adhesive. Once verified, remove protective films, apply fresh adhesive strips, and press the back cover evenly for a consistent seal. Hold for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure bond. If the screen or keys don't respond, power down and reseat the ribbon cables, inspect sockets for bent pins, and try a different connector orientation. Often a loose ribbon is the sole issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.